Let's take a quick look at how to adjust the damping control on your BC Racing BR Series coilovers. On the top of each shock, you're going to notice a damping control knob. By dialing this out and to the left, you're loosening the ride, making it more supple and soft. By dialing it into the right, you're going to be making it more firm and stiff. We recommend when you first install them to start from a middle point. Dial it all the way out until it stops, and then turn it to the first click, and then count 15 clicks in from there. Then once the shocks have broken in, maybe after about 50 miles, we recommend making sweeping adjustments on all four corners of the vehicle at the same time, in each end of the spectrum, so that you understand the stiffest ride and the softest ride, and then you can tune it exactly where you want it from there.